Wow, we got one of the best trailers I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, believe me, guys, it's absolutely amazing. Almost as beautiful as a house.
Yeah, this is best in show of everything we've seen. Brand new floor model for 2025. This is the 283 Epic. Grab the popcorn, grab the kids. We got an amazing video for you here on how to have fun outdoors. This is a game changer. It's the brand new 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 Epic. And this thing is epic. We flew down to Hershey, the largest RV show in the country, to check out this new floor plan from Coachmen. They invited us to do a video, and we said, sure, why not? Definitely hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. That would mean so much to us. And definitely check out How to Have Fun Outdoors. Our Facebook, Instagram, our website, How to Have Fun Outdoors. Hit the notify button. You're going to love this channel. We've got travel all over the world. We got cruising. We got RVs. And if that's not enough, we have our sister channels, How to Have Fun Camping, How to Have Fun Fishing, and How to Have Fun Cruising. So you can check out all of that. That's right, folks. But guess what? On our camping channel, you're going to want that. Definitely check that out. We do campground reviews, RV reviews, you name it. We've got all of that. But today, it's about this brand new style of travel trailer. Take a look. So brand new floor plan for 2025. Never been on YouTube before. All these cool features. Jordan's going to highlight them one more time. But wait till you hear the price. I'm still kind of confused because this seems dollar for dollar. When you look at this open floor plan, one of the best buys here at Hershey, and we're giving this best in show for the travel trailers. So Jordan, take it away.
We appreciate it. So brand new floor plan for Catalina, just debuting here at the Hershey RV Show. As you go around the outside in the video before, you're seeing the free auto leveling that we're putting on the trailer here. I mean, and you're seeing auto level, right?
Yeah.
Years past, you've seen it maybe on a fifth wheel as an option, or maybe on a motorhome. But here now on travel trailers, you got a 5.3 auto level system on the outside. Take a look at those radius rails lights that we put in on the outside as well, debuting here at Hershey. Two big things on the outside and really look sharp and just a great value for the customer. Here on the inside, a few things that we did in this floor plan that is completely unique and new is we took these windows here where you kind of call it condo style window, right? Floor to ceiling, and we wrapped it around a traditional floor plan that used to be a rear living, and now we've added this 180-degree windows. You got your projector screen here that does have a blackout shade on the opposite side. You got a Samsung smart projector here with theater seating powered. So for a stick and tin price point, as aggressive as it is, you've got a ton of value. I talked about the auto level. I talked about your radius lights. You've got a projector screen with a Samsung smart projector, just like a smart TV at home with your Netflix. You got power theater seating, and then off the back, off your 180-degree windows, you have this patio.
Yeah, I mean, come on. So are you ready for this? How much? 150,000, 100,000, 75,000, 60,000.
So
what is it, Jordan?
MSRPs on this across North America are coming in that low 50s for your MSRP.
That's MSRP, right? Low 50s. So obviously, if you go over there and bend these guys' arms, you're going to do a little bit better. But I mean, that's a great price point for this type of floor plan. And the dinette, I mean, you just don't see these big U-shaped dinettes anymore.
U-shaped dinettes. We opened up underneath the access storage that you never could get in years past with the totes underneath.
Yeah.
We've added the glass rinsers, the bars. You've got the dimmer switch here to change the lighting for your night settings.
Ooh, romantic.
But yeah, brand new floor plan for us. It's landing now across North America. We're debuting it at the show. But I'm seeing the sales already in North America as a unique new floor plan. So if you can't make it to the Hershey RV Show, you've got a dealer, across North America for Catalina that'll have this in stock.
And tell everybody the model number on this again.
283 Epic.
There you go, guys. Hey, Jordan, thanks so much. Great seeing you. And say hello to everyone back in Indiana. All right, we're going to walk you around the outside, then take you on the inside. But before that, take a look at this unit from the show. It's unbelievable. Cabin on wheels. You're definitely going to want to check out that video. Your new home on wheels. Take a look at this. You're going to want to check out that video on how to have fun camping. We also have those both on how to have fun outdoors also because they were best in show. But once again, let's start with this. Look at the storage. Pass through up front. Absolutely gorgeous. There is your prep for your solar right there and on and off with the light. Really nice pass-through storage. The staircasing, perfect. The door, perfect. No issue there. Really nice design. And obviously you got your canopy. Again, this is the 283 EPIC JBL sound system. We talked about already prepped for solar. Come down here, you've got your 110 outlets, cable, good to go, JBL speakers, you can see right there. And then all of your heating system, everything right in here. So overall, really nice unit. The quality was much better than what we've seen. There's your little dog leash attachment. There's the auto levelers that he just talked about. Really nice tires on this. The rims were great. Really nice unit overall. But one of the things we noticed at the show was, quality has been an issue over the past several years. But it seems like the big companies like Forest River got the memo, because everything just looked much better from a fit and finish standpoint. Once again, real nice staircase with the handle going up onto the deck. And this was just such a nice feature. I mean, I can't imagine, coming up with a cooler design than this design. It was really, really sharp the way it was done. Again, this is a Forest River brand product. JBL up on the top there. As you can see, LED lights up there. Also 110, so you can hang your little fishing lanterns all the way around, or whatever you want, your tiki house ones. All right, look at this beautiful patio. Let's go ahead and check it out, Alice.
Look at here. This room is all windows. You have windows in every side. Such a bright and nice environment. And you can sit here. Imagine to be in front of a lake. It's absolutely amazing, right?
Well, guess what, folks? Everybody's been talking about the quality of these campers and RVs. And everybody's talking about where's the innovation. So finally, 2025 here at the Hershey Show, I think we've got something that is absolutely amazing. We're going to call this Best in Show because, quite honestly, this is the coolest camper I think I've ever seen. And why? Take a look, folks. You got slider. You got a slider. You got a slider. All glass, wide open. If you're out hunting, fishing, camping with the kids, you can see the wilderness, the lake, the ponds, you name it. Big old, beautiful, nice sofa setup here. A nice setup here with all of your cable and outlets and lighting. And wow, this thing is crazy. And take a look at this. You want to watch a movie? No problem. Down pulls an entire screen so you can watch the movie. It is insane what they've done with this. And how about how open this is for a little trailer? Look at the size of this. It is fantastic. This is clearly my favorite trailer ever.
Yeah.
How do you like it, Alice?
Well, look at me right now. Doesn't look, but I really enjoy it.
Yeah, so we're used to covering Class Bs and B pluses, and we stepped into the Cs a couple years ago. But now, let's take a look at some of these trailers. We were never really that excited. They were all the same, but no question about this. This is beautiful. Let's take a look at the galley, Alice. Show us what we got.
Well,
Two really nice bar with the bars. I mean, that's cool.
Exactly. This trailer is designed to spend time together. Even if somebody's outside, you can be inside. You are cooking, you have a windows here. And this is a really nice size sink, to be honest. Really awesome. And then you can just have a nice snack right here at the bar. Very nice. Look at here, 3 burners. A microwave. This is not convection oven, but it's really, really nice to have it. Light, fan, a little oven down here, so that's really convenient.
And actually, I got to correct you. It is a convection oven because you've got the pizza, potatoes, everything else in here. Stainless steel, really nice setup, as you can see.
Well done, Tommy.
And I think, when you look at this galley, lots and lots of storage. Pretty awesome overall.
And you're missing this one, Tom. Look at this kind of storage down here and all the drawers on the side.
Wow, super nice.
I enjoy this one. Open it again.
Yeah.
Look at, guys, it's already divided for all your silverware. Really great point.
I think one of the big takeaways that are missing in a lot of RVs today is this big dinette set, right?
Yeah.
Where you can fit around 6, 7, 8 people, the kids, you know, mom and dad, grandpa and grandma.
Yep.
And you can play Yahtzee, you can play Monopoly on a rainy day, look out the windows, and wow, this is super nice. 2 pedestals on that, and look at under storage underneath that, done really nicely.
And over in the side as well, Tom.
Yeah, very, very nice. So when you think about the storage, especially with the pass-through outside, that is significant.
Over here, look at the size of this refrigerator and freezer. It's absolutely amazing.
Wow.
Some houses, they don't even have this kind of size.
Yeah, and you got that GE Profile RVAC plus heat pump system here. Operates down to outdoor temperatures of 25 Fahrenheit on that. 39% savings on that propane. Pretty sweet. It's all ducted throughout. Lights. We got JBLs here. And take a look at this. More storage. And look at the storage. Alice, you got to be jealous driving around in a Class B. I mean, there's more storage in this one closet than there is in all of a Class B. And this is half the price. So there you go.
One and extra one.
Wow. Super cool. But we're not done. This pass-through bathroom is absolutely awesome. Take a look at this, folks. You can check this out. And a nice corner shower. Beautiful
nice
cabinets. Look at the sink.
And
under
more.
cabinet storage. Very cool. And nice classy look in here. How much room we got, Alice? The old shower test?
Yes, and look at this. I can shower with also a backpack and still have extra space.
Yeah, I bet you wish you had this size RVs in Europe, huh? Alice came over for her master's degree and never went back to Italy, but she is loving this RV scene here. As you grew up with a little Class C, traveling all over Europe.
Yep.
And her favorite thing is to come to these shows like this one and in Tampa and see all the new models. And boy, oh boy, we got a new model for you today. So look at there. Lots of storage in the bedroom. And what a big bedroom. Also, the TV connects here, on and off buttons here. And nice mirrors on the side. Plenty of storage there. So you can hang all of your shirts, suits, and jackets, everything you need.
Oh, the sleeping test.
Yeah, very good.
Very convenient, very comfortable.
Yeah, nice size mattress. Take a look at that, folks. Really cushiony. I think the RV guys got this figured out these days. Outlet, USBs, both the C and B, which is a nice. They're upgrading all of that, obviously, in 25. And again, this is a brand new floor plan, never seen before. We're going to bring it to you first here on YouTube with How to Have Fun Outdoors, and our sister channel, How to Have Camping, How to Have Fun Camping, which covers all the types of RVs. And we've really kind of split up the channels now, where we have How to Have Fun Outdoors with travel and adventure all over the world. And we've got How to Have Fun Cruising with cruises all over the world. How to Have Fun Camping, where we do RV reviews, but better yet, campground reviews. Why is that a big deal? Well, a lot of RV channels don't do campground reviews. They don't get a lot of likes. And they don't get a lot of views because, you know, who's going to this one in the middle of Wisconsin? We still do that because this is a hobby for us, unlike all the other YouTubers. We do this for fun, for free. We're really just out to get away and have some work-life balance and see some of these rigs and do some fun things. But we also have How to Have Fun Fishing. Lice's been catching a bunch of fish. And How to Have Fun Camping. So, Lice, what's your view on this? Best in show, right?
Absolutely.
For this type of trailer?
Yeah, as explained by Tom, we are in a Class B. We are looking a lot of Class B plus, but absolutely these blow me away. It's very well designed, extremely bright. You can be camping and almost feeling that you are outside in the middle of the nature. You have a really nice area to socialize, a great kitchen where you can actually have fun, and the bedroom feels like a bedroom. Absolutely a really great deal.
Yeah, no question about it. This is a winner, and obviously this folds down into a bed for the kids. But having this and this design with your own deck, with all the windows, is just a game changer. Nothing really like it I've ever seen in this size. So overall, we're going to say this is best in show for the travel trailers of 2025. Wow. Comment down below. Tell us what you think of this incredible travel trailer from Coachmen. what a cool design. I can just imagine sitting there having a drink, looking out the screen rooms. Tell us what you like about this layout. Tell us what you don't like. Definitely hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to us. Hit the like button to get this video out. And thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun Outdoors.